Welcome to the Imran Academy. I am discussing with you A-level mathematics and the topic of discussion is algebra. And for those who want me to teach them online, this is my WhatsApp number. You can contact me on this number for maths tutoring. Okay, in the previous two lectures I discussed question number 8 and question number 9. The two parts of question number 9 were discussed as well, and now I am going to discuss with you question number 10. So what the question says, let's see the question first. The question says expand and simplify the expression 2x plus y minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 4x into y minus 1. So here is the question for you. 2x plus y minus 1. I have used the formula for two terms, that is, I have used the formula a plus b whole square. This thing equals a square plus b square plus 2ab. So this formula has been used by me here. So I have used 2x as the first term and y minus 1 as the second term. So it becomes 2x whole square plus y minus 1 whole square plus 2 times 2x into y minus 1, and the rest of the terms are as it is. Now we can simplify. 2x whole square becomes 4x square and y minus 1 whole square is expanded here. Y square plus 1 square minus 2 times y into 1, and 2 into 2x is 4x into y minus 1. Next, further simplifying, 4x square plus y square plus 1 minus 2y, and I have taken y minus 1 as a common factor from these two terms. After taking this as a common factor, 4x minus 4x cancels out, and the rest is in front of you. These terms are as it is, and now I have multiplied 2 to y and negative 1. So it becomes 2y and negative 2. This y factor and this y factor also cancels out, and plus 1 minus 2 is minus 1. So this is what is left behind, and this is our answer. Thanks for watching. Till the next lecture, it's goodbye.